Unique scales. Pangolins are the only mammals covered in scales. These scales are made of keratin, the same material found in human nails and hair. The scales provide excellent protection from predators, and when threatened, pangolins can roll into a tight ball, using their sharp scale tails to fend off attackers. Diet and ton. Pangolins have a specialized diet consisting mainly of ants and termites. They have long, sticky tongues that can extend up to 40 centimeters, 16 inches in some species, which they use to probe into insect nests. Pangolins can consume thousands of ants and termites in a single meal, playing a crucial role in controlling insect populations in their habitats. Conservation status. All 8 species of pangolins are threatened by poaching and illegal wildlife trade, primarily for their scales and meat. Pangolin scales are highly valued in traditional medicine, despite the lack of scientific evidence supporting their efficacy. As a result, pangolins are considered the most trafficked mammals in the world, and all species are listed as vulnerable.
Ancient lineage. Crocodiles are ancient reptiles that have been around for over 200 million years, surviving major extinction events that wiped out the dinosaurs. This makes them one of the oldest living species on Earth. Their body structure has remained relatively unchanged, showcasing their efficient and effective evolutionary design. Powerful jaws. Crocodiles have incredibly powerful jaws with one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom. Their bite can exert pressures of up to 3,700 pounds per square inch, allowing them to crush bones and capture large prey. Despite this, the muscles to open their jaws are relatively weak, which is why humans can hold a crocodile's mouth shut with their hands or a piece of tape. Remarkable adaptations. Crocodiles have several adaptations that make them formidable predators. They have a special valve at the back of their throat called a palatal valve that allows them to open their mouths underwater without swallowing water. Distinctive appearance. The hoopoe is easily recognizable by its striking appearance. It has a distinctive crown of feathers on its head that can be raised into a fan-like display. Its plumage is primarily pinkish-brown with bold black and white stripes on its wings and tail. This unique look makes the hoopoe one of the most visually distinctive birds in the world. Unique foraging behavior. Hoopoes are ground foragers, primarily feeding on insects, larvae, and small reptiles. They use their long, curved bills to probe the ground, leaf litter, and crevices in search of food. They are known for their ability to dig into the soil to extract hidden prey, which makes them effective pest controllers in their habitats. Vocalizations and communication. The hoopoe's name is derived from its soft hoo-hoo-hoo call, which it uses to communicate. This call can be heard during the breeding season, as males use it to attract females in established territories. In addition to their vocalizations, hoopoes also use body language, such as raising and lowering their crests, to not a separate species. The term panther can refer to different large cats depending on the region. In the Americas, it commonly refers to the cougar or mountain lion, puma concolor, while in Asia and Africa, it usually refers to the leopard, Panthera pardus. The term black panther specifically refers to melanistic, black-colored variants of these cats, such as black leopards or black jaguars, Panthera onca. Melanism. Black panthers exhibit a genetic trait known as melanism, which causes an overproduction of the pigment melanin, making their fur appear black. This adaptation can be advantageous in dense forests and during nighttime, providing better camouflage while hunting. Despite their dark coloration, the characteristic rosettes or spots of leopards and jaguars can still be seen if you look closely. Solitary and territorial. Panthers, like most big cats, are solitary animals. They establish and defend territories that they mark with scent markings, scratch marks, and vocalizations. These territories are essential for their hunting strategy. Colorful plumage. Male pheasants, especially the common or ring-necked pheasant, are known for their vibrant and colorful plumage. They often have bright gold, green, purple, and red feathers, as well as a distinctive white ring around their neck. This striking appearance is used to attract females during the breeding season, while females are usually more camouflaged to blend into their surroundings and protect their nests. Adaptable habitat. Pheasants are highly adaptable birds that can thrive in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, forests, farmland, and wetlands. They are ground-dwelling birds that prefer areas with dense cover to protect them from predators. They also adapt well to agricultural landscapes, often seen in fields and along edges of wooded areas. Diet and foraging. Pheasants are omnivores with a diverse diet that includes seeds, grains, insects, and small animals. They forage primarily on the ground, using their strong legs to scratch and dig for food.
Specialized hunting techniques. Polar bears are apex predators, primarily feeding on seals. They use a method called still hunting, where they wait silently at breathing holes in the ice to catch seals as they come up for air. Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect seals nearly a mile away and under several feet of compacted snow and ice. Adaptations to cold environments. Polar bears have several adaptations that allow them to thrive in the Arctic environment. Their thick layer of blubber provides insulation against the cold, while their fur, which appears white but is actually transparent, helps them blend into the snowy landscape. Additionally, their large, powerful paws act like snowshoes, distributing their weight to prevent them from breaking through thin ice and assisting them in swimming. Climate change impact. Polar bears are significantly affected by climate change. As the Arctic ice melts due to rising global temperatures, polar bears lose their primary hunting grounds. This forces them to travel greater distances to find food, leading to decreased body condition. Water conservation. Camels are incredibly well adapted to desert environments and can go long periods without water. They can lose up to 25% of their body weight in water without suffering ill effects, a feat that would be fatal for most other animals. When they do find water, they can drink up to 40 gallons in one go to replenish their reserves. Unique physical adaptations. Camels have several physical adaptations that help them survive in harsh desert conditions. Their humps store fat, which can be converted into energy and water when food and water are scarce. They also have thick fur that insulates them from the intense heat during the day and the cold at night. Additionally, their long eyelashes, ear hairs, and closable nostrils protect them from sand and wind. Efficient movement. Camels are known for their distinctive gait, often called the pacing gait, where both legs on one side move forward at the same time. This movement, along with their broad, padded feet, helps them walk efficiently on sand without sinking. This efficient movement. Specialized diet. Koalas have a highly specialized diet, feeding almost exclusively on eucalyptus leaves. They are very selective, eating only a few of the hundreds of species of eucalyptus trees. These leaves are tough and toxic to most animals, but koalas have a unique digestive system, including a long cecum, that allows them to detoxify and extract the limited nutrients. Sleeping habits. Koalas are known for their extensive sleeping habits, spending up to 2 hours a day sleeping or resting. This is due to the low-energy diet of eucalyptus leaves, which provide minimal nutrition and energy. By conserving energy through long periods of sleep, koalas can sustain themselves on their nutrient-poor diet. Unique vocalizations. Despite their generally quiet demeanor, koalas can produce a range of vocalizations, including a deep bellowing call during the breeding season. These calls are used by males to establish dominance and attract females. The sound is surprisingly loud and can be heard from several kilometers away, helping koalas communicate in their often dense and forested habitat.
Exceptional memory and intelligence. Elephants are known for their remarkable memory and high level of intelligence. They have complex social structures and can remember the locations of water sources and food over vast distances and long periods. Elephants also exhibit behaviors indicating self-awareness, empathy, and problem-solving abilities, such as using tools and understanding human gestures. Communication. Elephants communicate using a variety of sounds, from loud trumpets to low-frequency rumbles that can travel through the ground over long distances. These rumbles, known as infrasound, are used to communicate with other elephants miles away. Elephants also use body language, touch, and scent to convey messages and maintain social bonds within their herds. Ecosystem engineers. Elephants play a crucial role in their ecosystems by acting as ecosystem engineers. Their activities, such as uprooting trees and creating waterholes, help shape the environment and maintain the biodiversity of their habitats. By dispersing seeds through their dung, they also widespread habitat. Pumas, also known as mountain lions, cougars, or panthers, have one of the most extensive ranges of any wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. They are found from the Canadian Yukon in North America to the southern Andes in South America, adapting to a wide variety of habitats including forests, deserts, mountains, and grasslands. Incredible agility and strength. Pumas are highly agile and strong predators. It can leap up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters vertically, and as far as 40 feet, 12 meters horizontally. These impressive jumping abilities, combined with their powerful hind legs, allow them to ambush prey effectively. Pumas are also known for their ability to climb trees and swim if necessary. Solitary and elusive. Pumas are solitary animals and are rarely seen by humans due to their elusive nature. They maintain large territories, which they mark with scrapes, urine, and feces to ward off other pumas. Diet primarily consists of bamboo, Despite being classified as carnivores, giant pandas have a diet that is over 99% bamboo. They spend 10 to 16 hours a day eating bamboo to meet their nutritional needs, consuming up to 26 to 84 pounds, 12 to 38 kilograms of it daily. Their strong jaw muscles and large flat molars are specially adapted to crush and chew bamboo. Unique thumb-like appendages. Pandas have a unique adaptation known as a pseudo-thumb or modified wrist bone, which functions like an opposable thumb. This adaptation helps them grip bamboo stalks, allowing them to strip leaves and consume the plant more efficiently. This feature is an example of their specialized evolution for a bamboo diet. Solitary and territorial. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with each adult maintaining a territory that it marks with scent markers. They use their strong sense of smell to detect the presence of other pandas and to avoid direct encounters. Pandas' habitat and adaptations. Water buffaloes are highly adapted to wet, swampy environments. They are often found in marshes, swamps, and river valleys in Asia, where their large, splayed hooves help them navigate through muddy terrain. Their thick, oily skin provides protection from insects and the sun, and they are known for wallowing in mud to cool down and keep parasites at bay. Domestication and uses. Water buffaloes have been domesticated for thousands of years and play a crucial role in agriculture in many Asian countries. They are used as draft animals to plow fields and pull carts due to their strength and endurance. Additionally, their milk is rich and nutritious, used to make various dairy products such as mozzarella cheese, and their hides are used for leather. Social behavior. Water buffaloes are social animals that typically live in herds. In the wild, these herds are led by a dominant female, and members of the herd work together to protect each other from predators. In domesticated settings, unique poop shape. Wombats are known for their distinctive cube-shaped feces. This unusual shape is thought to help mark their territory and prevent the poop from rolling away. The shape is due to the unique structure of their intestines, which has regions of varying elasticity that create the cubic form as waste passes through. Powerful digging abilities. Wombats are excellent diggers and use their strong, clawed limbs to create extensive burrow systems. These burrows can be quite complex, with multiple entrances and chambers, providing them with shelter from predators and extreme weather. Their burrowing helps aerate the soil and can also benefit other animals. Nocturnal and solitary. Wombats are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. They spend the day resting in their burrows and come out at night to forage for food. Wombats are generally solitary animals and prefer to live alone, except during mating season or when a mother is caring for her young. Incredible hunting skills. Weasels are known for their exceptional hunting abilities. Despite their small size, they are fierce predators, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Weasels have a high metabolism, which requires them to eat frequently. They primarily hunt small mammals such as mice, voles, and rabbits, using their slender bodies to pursue prey into burrows and tight spaces. Seasonal coat changes. Many weasel species, particularly those living in colder climates, undergo seasonal changes in their fur color. In the summer, their fur is typically brown or reddish-brown, providing camouflage in the warmer months. In the winter, their fur changes to white to blend in with the snow, offering protection from predators and aiding in hunting. Territorial behavior. Weasels are highly territorial animals. They use scent glands to mark their territory and communicate with other weasels. These scent marks help establish boundaries and convey information about the individual. Rich in nutrients. Caviar is packed with essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, D, and B, and minerals like zinc and selenium. These nutrients support cardiovascular health, improve brain function, and boost the immune system. High-quality protein. Caviar is a good source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth, maintaining healthy skin and producing enzymes and hormones. Anti-aging properties. The antioxidants and healthy fats in caviar can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, potentially slowing down the aging process and promoting healthier skin.
Brightly colored plumage. Macaws are renowned for their vibrant and striking plumage. Their feathers come in a variety of colors including red, blue, green and yellow, with some species exhibiting stunning multicolored patterns. The vivid coloration serves not only for visual appeal but also plays a role in their communication and social interactions within their flocks. Intelligent and social birds. Macaws are among the most intelligent bird species, known for their problem-solving abilities and complex social behaviors. They can mimic human speech and sounds, which makes them popular as pets. In the wild, they live in large social groups and engage in cooperative behaviors, such as foraging together and defending their territory. Long lifespan and strong bonds. Macaws have a notably long lifespan for birds, often living 40 to 60 years in captivity, and some even reaching up to 80 years with proper care. They form strong, lifelong bonds with their mates and are known for their monogamous relationships. In the wild, adaptations to cold environments. Snow leopards are well adapted to their cold mountainous habitats in Central and South Asia. They have thick fur and a dense, woolly undercoat that provides insulation against harsh temperatures. Their large, furry paws act like natural snowshoes, distributing their weight and allowing them to walk on snow without sinking. Incredible agility and stealth. Known as a ghost of the mountains, snow leopards are incredibly elusive and difficult to spot in the wild. They are powerful and agile climbers, capable of leaping up to 50 feet, 15 meters, in a single bound. This agility helps them navigate the rocky terrain of their habitat and effectively hunt prey such as blue sheep, ibex, and other mountain-dwelling animals. Vulnerable conservation status. Snow leopards are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN), with an estimated population of only 4,000 to 6,500 individuals remaining in the wild. Their numbers are declining due to habitat loss, poaching.
Symbolism and cultural significance. Koi fish hold a special place in various cultures, particularly in Japan and China. They are often seen as symbols of good fortune, perseverance, and strength. The different colors and patterns of koi can represent various virtues and qualities, such as love, wealth, success, and longevity. In Japanese culture, koi are associated with the legendary tale of a koi fish swimming upstream and transforming into a dragon, symbolizing perseverance and transformation. Variety of colors and patterns. Koi come in a wide range of colors and patterns, resulting from selective breeding over centuries. Some common colors include white, black, red, yellow, blue, and cream, with various patterns such as metallic, scaleless, and butterfly. The most popular varieties include Kohaku, white with red markings, Taisha Sink, white with red and black markings, and Showa Sanshoku, black with red and white markings. Each koi fish is unique, and they're intelligent and social. Cockatoos are highly intelligent birds known for their problem-solving abilities and playful nature. They are social animals that form strong bonds with their flock members in the wild and with their human caretakers in captivity. Cockatoos are capable of mimicking human speech and sounds, and they require significant mental stimulation and social interaction to stay happy and healthy. Distinctive crests. One of the most recognizable features of cockatoos is their distinctive crest of feathers on top of their heads. These crests can be raised or lowered and are used for communication and display. For example, a cockatoo might raise its crest to show excitement, curiosity, or aggression. The color and size of the crest vary among different species of cockatoos. Long lifespan and care needs. Cockatoos can live for a very long time, often 40 to 70 years in captivity, with some individuals reaching up to 100 years. This long lifespan means that owning a cockatoo is a long-term commitment. Vivid colors and varied fin types. Betta fish, also known as Siamese fighting fish, are renowned for their vibrant colors and diverse fin shapes. Selective breeding has resulted in a wide array of colors, including red, blue, green, purple, and even multicolored varieties. Their fins come in various shapes such as veiltail, crowntail, and half moon, each with unique and striking appearances. Labyrinth organ for breathing air. Betta fish possess a specialized organ called the labyrinth organ, which allows them to breathe atmospheric air in addition to extracting oxygen from water through their gills. This adaptation enables them to survive in low oxygen environments, such as shallow ponds and rice paddies in their native Southeast Asia. Bettas frequently swim to the water surface to gulp air, an essential behavior for their health. Territorial and aggressive nature. Betta fish are known for their territorial and aggressive behavior, especially males. They will often flare their fins and gills to appear larger and varied diet and foraging. Brown bears have a diverse diet that includes a mix of plants, insects, and animals. They are omnivores and their diet can vary greatly depending on the season and available food sources. In spring, they might eat young plants and insects, while in summer and fall they consume berries, nuts, and fish. They are known for their impressive fishing skills, particularly when catching salmon during spawning season. Hibernation. Brown bears hibernate during the winter months, a crucial survival strategy to cope with the scarcity of food. Before hibernation, they go through a period of hyperphagia, eating excessively to build up fat reserves. During hibernation, their metabolism slows down significantly and they live off their fat stores. They do not eat, drink, or urinate during this period, which can last from a few weeks to several months depending on environmental conditions. Physical strength and size. Brown bears are among the largest land carnivores in the world, with adult males weighing between 600 to 1,500.
Long lifespan. Contrary to popular belief, goldfish can live for a long time if properly cared for. While many people think goldfish only live a few years, they can actually live for 10 to 15 years, and some have been known to live over 20 years in optimal conditions. Their longevity is influenced by factors such as water quality, diet, and tank size. Color changes. Goldfish can change color over their lifetime. This is due to various factors including genetics, diet, light exposure, and water quality. For example, a goldfish that starts out orange may develop white patches or even turn completely white. These color changes are often harmless but can indicate health or environmental issues if they happen rapidly. Impressive memory and learning ability. Goldfish have a much better memory and learning ability than often credited. They can remember things for months, are capable of recognizing their owners, and can even be trained to perform simple tricks such as swimming through hoops or pushing a ball. They are also known to have the ability to distinguish.
Exceptional reproductive rate. Rabbits are known for their high reproductive rate. Female rabbits, called does, can become pregnant as early as 3 to 6 months old and can give birth to a litter of up to 12 kits. Baby rabbits, after a gestation period of about 2831 days, a single doe can have multiple litters each year, making rabbits prolific breeders. This rapid reproduction rate helps them maintain their populations despite being prey for many predators. Unique digestion system. Rabbits have a unique digestive system that includes a process called hindgut fermentation. They produce two types of droppings, hard pellets and soft secotropes. Secotropes are nutrient-rich and are reingested by rabbits to absorb essential nutrients and vitamins that were not absorbed the first time through their digestive tract. This process allows rabbits to maximize nutrient intake from their fibrous diet. Strong social bonds and communication. Wild rabbits live in complex social structures and established territories. Scent recognition. Lions use their highly developed sense of smell to recognize their own cubs. Each lion has a unique scent, and mothers can distinguish their cubs by sniffing them. This olfactory recognition helps mothers identify and bond with their offspring, ensuring they provide care and protection to their own young. Vocal communication. Lion cubs and their mothers communicate through vocalizations such as calls, roars, and purrs. Each cub has a distinctive voice, which the mother lion can recognize. This vocal communication helps strengthen the bond between the mother and her cubs and allows the mother to keep track of her offspring, especially in dense vegetation or when they are hidden. Social bonds and behavior. Lions live in prides, and the social structure helps mothers recognize their cubs. Lionesses in a pride often give birth around the same time and raise their cubs together, forming a communal nursery. Despite this, each mother lion knows her own cubs through regular grooming, nursing, and close physical contact. Complex social structure. Hyenas, particularly the spotted hyena, have a highly complex social structure. They live in large groups called clans, which can number up to 80 individuals. Clans are matriarchal with a dominant female leading the group. Female hyenas are larger and more aggressive than males, and they inherit their social rank from their mothers. Powerful jaws and digestive system. Hyenas have incredibly strong jaws capable of crushing bones, which allows them to access the nutritious marrow inside. Their powerful digestive system can process tough materials, including bones and horns, leaving very little waste. This efficient digestion helps them make the most of their scavenged and hunted meals. Varied communication. Hyenas use a wide range of vocalizations, body language, and scent markings to communicate with each other. Their famous laugh is a high-pitched series of giggles that convey excitement or submission, while other calls can signal the location of food or warn of
Bonding and attachment. Foals, baby horses, form strong bonds with their mothers shortly after birth. This bonding is crucial for their development and socialization within the herd. Nursing and care. Mother horses, known as mares, provide essential care to their foals. They nurse them for several months, supplying them with milk that is rich in nutrients necessary for growth. Teaching and protection. Mares play a significant role in teaching their foals important social behaviors and skills, such as grooming, grazing, and understanding herd dynamics. They also protect their foals from potential threats in the wild, such as predators.
Specialized diet. Anteaters primarily feed on ants and termites. They have long, sticky tongues that can extend up to 2 feet, 60 centimeters, to reach into insect nests. An anteater can flick its tongue in and out up to 150 times per minute, allowing it to consume thousands of insects each day. Their saliva is sticky to help capture the insects, and they lack teeth, using their powerful stomach muscles to grind their food. Unique physical adaptations. Anteaters have several unique physical features that help them with their specialized diet. Their elongated snouts house their long tongues, and their large, curved claws are perfect for tearing open ant and termite mounds. These claws are so powerful that anteaters walk on their knuckles to prevent them from becoming dull. Solitary and nocturnal lifestyle. Anteaters are generally solitary animals, coming together only for mating. They are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. This behavior helps them avoid predators in the heat of the day.
Powerful bite. Piranhas are known for their incredibly strong jaws and sharp serrated teeth, which they use to tear through their prey quickly. Despite their small size, their bite force is quite powerful, allowing them to slice through flesh and bone with ease. This makes them highly efficient predators in their freshwater habitats. Diet and feeding frenzy. Contrary to their fearsome reputation, not all piranhas are strictly carnivorous. Many species are omnivores and eat a variety of food, including fish, insects, crustaceans, and plant material. However, certain species can exhibit feeding frenzy behavior, especially when food is scarce. During these frenzies, groups of piranhas can strip a carcass of its flesh rapidly, which has contributed to their aggressive image. Social behavior. Piranhas are social fish that often live in schools, which can provide protection against predators and increase their efficiency in hunting. The schooling behavior also helps reduce the risk of being preyed upon, as there is safety.
Powerful defense mechanism. Skunks are best known for their ability to spray a foul-smelling liquid as a defense mechanism. This spray, produced by glands located near their tail, can reach up to 10 feet, 3 meters, and can be smelled from over a mile away. The odorous liquid can cause temporary blindness and severe discomfort, effectively deterring predators. Omnivorous diet. Skunks have a varied diet and are omnivorous. They eat a mix of plant and animal matter, including insects, small mammals, birds, eggs, fruits, and vegetables. This diverse diet helps them adapt to different environments and seasons, making them highly adaptable animals. Distinctive stripes. Skunks are easily recognizable by their distinctive black and white stripes. These stripes serve as a warning to potential predators about their ability to spray. Interestingly, no two skunks have the same stripe pattern, and the number and arrangement of stripes can vary between individuals, adding an element of
environmental preservation. Recycling and reusing materials significantly reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerators. This helps decrease pollution, conserve natural resources, and protect ecosystems. By recycling, we reduce the need to extract, refine, and process raw materials, which in turn lowers greenhouse gas emissions and minimizes habitat destruction. Energy conservation. Manufacturing products from recycled materials often requires less energy compared to producing them from raw materials. For example, recycling aluminum saves up to 95% of the energy needed to produce new aluminum from bauxite ore. This energy savings translates to lower carbon emissions and a reduced carbon footprint, helping to combat climate change. Economic benefits. Recycling and reusing can create jobs and stimulate economic growth. The recycling industry provides employment opportunities in collection, processing, and manufacturing. Additionally, businesses. Natural hunters. Ferrets are descended from the European polecat and have been domesticated for over 2,000 years. They were originally bred for hunting small game, such as rabbits, due to their slender bodies and keen hunting instincts. Their natural agility and curiosity make them excellent at exploring burrows and chasing down prey. Sleep patterns. Ferrets have unique sleep patterns, typically sleeping 14 to 18 hours a day. They are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during the dawn and dusk hours. Despite their long sleep periods when they are awake, ferrets are incredibly playful and energetic, often engaging in playful behaviors and exploring their surroundings. Flexible spines. Ferrets have extremely flexible spines, which allow them to twist and turn in ways that many other animals cannot. This flexibility enables them to navigate through narrow tunnels and tight spaces with ease. Their ability to bend and contort their bodies is one reason they are so adept at hunting.
8 arms with suction cups. Octopuses have 8 arms, each lined with hundreds of powerful suction cups. These suction cups not only help them grip surfaces and manipulate objects, but also contain chemoreceptors that allow the octopus to taste and smell what it touches. This makes their arms incredibly sensitive and versatile for exploring their environment and capturing prey. Ability to regenerate arms. If an octopus loses an arm, it has the remarkable ability to regenerate it. This process can take several months, but the new arm will be fully functional and indistinguishable from the original. This regenerative capability helps them survive in the wild, where they might lose an arm to predators or other dangers. Escape artists. Octopuses are famous for their ability to escape from almost any enclosure. Thanks to their soft, boneless bodies, they can squeeze through incredibly small spaces. Their intelligence and problem-solving skills enable them to figure out how to open lids, unlock latches, and navigate complex environments to find a way out, making them renowned.
Bright blue coloration. Blue tangs, also known as regal tangs or pallet surgeonfish, are easily recognizable by their vibrant blue bodies and bright yellow tails. This striking coloration serves as a form of camouflage among coral reefs and helps them blend in with their surroundings to evade predators. Algae eaters. Blue tangs play a vital role in their ecosystem as herbivores. They feed primarily on algae, which helps to keep the coral reefs healthy by preventing algae overgrowth. Their grazing habits contribute to the overall balance of the reef ecosystem, supporting biodiversity and coral health. Popularity in media. The blue tang gained widespread popularity and recognition thanks to the animated films of Finding Nemo and Finding Dory, where a blue tang named Dory is one of the main characters. This media exposure has increased interest in blue tangs as pets, although they require specific care in a large tank to thrive in captivity.
Companionship. Cats make wonderful companions. They can provide emotional support, reduce feelings of loneliness, and offer a calming presence with their affectionate behavior and purring. Health benefits. Having a cat can positively impact your health. Studies have shown that owning a cat can reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, and even decrease the risk of heart disease. Home environment. Cats can enhance your home environment. They are relatively low-maintenance pets, can be entertaining with their playful antics, and help keep pests like mice at bay. Unique stripes. Every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes, much like human fingerprints. These patterns are not only visually striking but also serve various purposes such as camouflage, social bonding, and protection from flies. Social structure. Zebras are highly social animals and live in groups called harems or herds. A harem typically consists of one stallion, several mares, and their offspring. Larger herds can form during migration or in areas with abundant resources, providing protection and social interaction. Communication. Zebras communicate with each other through various vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. They can bark, bray, and snort to convey different messages. Ear positioning is also crucial in their communication, indicating their mood and intentions to other zebras. Nutrient-rich. Asparagus is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, E, K, and B, as well as folate, iron, copper, calcium, protein, and fiber. This makes it a very nutritious addition to your diet. Asparagus pea phenomenon. Eating asparagus can cause a distinct smell in urine, often described as sulfurous or pungent. This is due to asparagusic acid, which breaks down into sulfur-containing compounds. Interestingly, not everyone can smell these compounds due to genetic differences. Diuretic properties. Asparagus has natural diuretic properties, which means it can help increase urine production. This can aid in detoxifying the body and is beneficial for those with edema or high blood pressure.
Mimicking abilities. Parrots are renowned for their ability to mimic sounds and human speech. This remarkable skill is due to their highly developed vocal cords and keen auditory memory, which allows them to replicate a wide range of sounds from their environment. Intelligence and problem solving. Many parrots and tropical birds are exceptionally intelligent. Species like the African gray parrot are known for their problem-solving abilities, understanding of concepts such as cause and effect, and even using tools to obtain food. Colorful plumage. Tropical birds, including parrots, are famous for their vibrant and diverse plumage. These bright colors serve various purposes, from attracting mates to camouflage in the lush, colorful environments of tropical forests. The colors are produced by pigments in the microscopic structure of their feathers, which can reflect light in unique ways.
Diverse species. Bats are incredibly diverse, with over 1,400 species found around the world. They make up about 20% of all mammal species, ranging from the tiny bumblebee bat, which weighs less than a penny, to the giant flying foxes with wingspans of up to 6 feet. Echolocation. Many bats use echolocation to navigate and hunt in the dark. They emit high-frequency sounds that bounce off objects, allowing them to create a mental map of their surroundings and locate prey with precision. Ecosystem role. Bats play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Insectivorous bats help control pest populations, while fruit and nectar-feeding bats are important pollinators and seed dispersers. For example, bats are essential for pollinating plants like bananas, avocados, and mangoes, and they help spread seeds that regenerate forests. Rich in nutrients. Grapefruits are packed with vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, which supports immune function, and antioxidants like beta-carotene that help protect cells from damage, aids in weight management. Grapefruit is low in calories but high in fiber, which can promote fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Some studies suggest it may even help with weight loss when incorporated into a balanced diet. Heart health. Consuming grapefruit regularly may improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while antioxidants in grapefruit may reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Metamorphosis. Butterflies undergo a complete metamorphosis with 4 distinct life stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult. Each stage has a different purpose. The caterpillar stage is primarily for feeding and growth, while the adult stage is for reproduction and dispersal. The transformation from a crawling caterpillar to a flying butterfly is one of the most remarkable processes in nature. Mimicry and camouflage. Many butterflies use mimicry and camouflage as survival strategies. Some butterflies have wing patterns that resemble leaves or bark, helping them blend into their surroundings and avoid predators. Others, like the viceroy butterfly, mimic the appearance of toxic species like the monarch butterfly, deterring predators who have learned to avoid the harmful lookalikes. Migratory behavior. Some butterfly species are known for their incredible migratory journeys. The most famous example is the monarch butterfly, which migrates thousands of rich in antioxidants. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants like flavonoids, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation. Heart health. Consuming moderate amounts of dark chocolate has been linked to improved heart health. It can help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Mood enhancement. Chocolate can boost the production of endorphins and serotonin in the brain, which can improve mood and provide a sense of well-being. This is why chocolate is often associated with feelings of happiness and comfort.
Social animals. Meerkats are highly social creatures that live in large groups called mobs or gangs, typically consisting of 20 to 50 individuals. They exhibit cooperative behaviors such as foraging together, grooming each other, and sharing duties like babysitting the young. Diet and foraging. Meerkats primarily feed on insects, spiders, small mammals, reptiles, and sometimes even bird eggs. They have keen senses, including excellent eyesight, and a strong sense of smell, which they use to locate prey. Unique adaptations. Meerkats are well adapted to their environment. They have dark patches around their eyes, which act like sunglasses to reduce glare from the sun. They also have long, slender bodies and strong claws that help them dig extensive underground burrows where they live and raise their young.
Nutrient-rich shrimp are low in calories but high in protein, making them a good source of lean protein. Omega-3 fatty acids. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Minerals. Shrimp are rich in various minerals such as selenium, which is important for thyroid function, and zinc, which supports immune health. Vitamins. They provide vitamins like B and choline, which are essential for brain function and metabolism. Antioxidants. Shrimp contain astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that may have anti-inflammatory effects. However, it's important to note that shrimp also contain cholesterol, so moderation is key, especially for individuals with cholesterol concerns.
Nutrient-rich mushrooms are packed with essential nutrients such as B vitamins, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, selenium, copper, and potassium. They also contain a variety of antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage. Boost immune system. Some mushrooms, like shiitake handmade, contain compounds that can enhance the immune system. These compounds can help the body fend off infections and illnesses more effectively. Supports heart health. Mushrooms are low in calories and fat, and they contain fiber, which can help maintain a healthy digestive system and lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, the antioxidants in mushrooms can reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage to cells, which is beneficial for overall heart health.
Rich in antioxidants, coffee is one of the richest sources of antioxidants in the diet, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Boosts mental alertness. The caffeine in coffee can enhance mental alertness, improve concentration, and reduce the feeling of fatigue, leading to better cognitive performance. May lower risk of diseases. Regular coffee consumption is associated with a reduced risk of several chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and certain types of cancer such as liver and colorectal cancer. Rich in nutrients. Peaches are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. They are low in calories and make for a nutritious snack that supports overall health, including skin health and immune function. Hydration. Peaches have a high water content, with about 89% of their weight coming from water. This makes them a great choice for staying hydrated, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Antioxidant properties. Peaches contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, chlorogenic acid, and polyphenols. These compounds help protect the body from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer.
Improved mental health. Dogs can significantly boost your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Their companionship can help alleviate loneliness and provide emotional support. Additionally, interacting with dogs can increase levels of oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and happiness. Increased physical activity. Dogs need regular exercise, which means you'll likely be more active if you have a dog. Walking, playing, and engaging in outdoor activities with your dog can help you stay fit and healthy, improve cardiovascular health, and reduce the risk of obesity. Enhanced social life. Owning a dog can make you more approachable and provide opportunities to meet new people. Dog parks, training classes, and walks in the neighborhood can lead to social interactions with other dog owners and animal lovers, helping you build a community and form new friendships. Ancient origins. Pugs have a rich history that dates back over 2,000 years. They originated in China, where they were bred as companion dogs for Chinese emperors. They were highly valued by royalty and often lived in luxurious settings, sometimes even being guarded by soldiers. Distinctive facial features. Pugs are easily recognizable by their wrinkled faces, short muzzles, and large, round eyes. These distinctive facial features are a result of their brachycephalic, short-nosed skull structure. While their charming appearance is beloved by many, it can also lead to respiratory issues, so it's important to monitor their health closely. Playful and affectionate personality. Pugs are known for their playful, affectionate, and friendly nature. They are often described as clowns due to their fun-loving and mischievous behavior. Pugs thrive on human companionship and enjoy being the center of attention, making them excellent family pets and loyal companions.
Size and weight. Moose are the largest members of the deer family. Adult males, called bulls, can weigh between 1,200 and 1,600 pounds, 540 to 725 kilograms, and stand about 5 to 6.5 feet, 1.5 to 2 meters tall at the shoulder. Females, or cows, are generally smaller, weighing around 800 to 1,300 pounds, 360 to 590 kilograms, antlers. Male moose have large, broad, and flat antlers that can span up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters across. These antlers are shed and regrown annually, with the new set being larger and more elaborate than the previous years. Antlers are primarily used for attracting mates and fighting other males during the mating season. Diet and habitat. Moose are herbivores and primarily eat leaves, bark, and twigs from trees and shrubs. In summer, they also feed on aquatic plants in lakes and rivers. They are found in boreal and mixed. Symbol of the United States. The bald eagle has been the national bird and symbol of the United States since 1782. It was chosen for its majestic appearance and representation of freedom and strength. Diet and hunting. Bald eagles primarily feed on fish, which they catch with their sharp talons. They are also known to eat birds, small mammals, and carrion. They have excellent eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from great distances. Recovery from endangerment. Bald eagles were once on the brink of extinction due to habitat destruction, illegal shooting, and the effects of pesticides like DDT. However, conservation efforts, legal protection, and the banning of DDT led to a significant recovery. They were removed from the U.S. endangered species list in 2007. Social behavior. Sea lions are highly social animals that often gather in large groups called colonies or rookeries. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including barks, growls, and roars. Lack of ear flaps. True seals, or Urlis seals, belong to the family Phocidae and do not have external ear flaps. Instead, they have small openings on the sides of their heads, which helps them streamline their bodies for efficient swimming. Swimming adaptations. Seals are excellent swimmers with streamlined bodies and strong paddle-like flippers. Eared seals. Sea lions belong to the family Otariidae, also known as eared seals, because they have external ear flaps. Distinctive appearance. Robins are easily recognizable by their orange-red breast and brown back. The European robin, Erythacus rubicula, and the American robin, Turdus migratorius, are the most well-known species, with the latter being larger and also having a distinctive black head and white eye ring. Diet and feeding habits. Robins have a varied diet that includes insects, earthworms, fruits, and berries. They are often seen hopping on lawns, especially in the early morning, searching for earthworms. During the winter, their diet shifts more towards berries and fruits. Territorial behavior. Robins are known for their territorial nature, especially during the breeding season. Male robins are particularly aggressive in defending their territory from other males. They use their song to establish and defend their territory, and fights can occur if another robin encroaches on their space. Ruminants with unique digestion. Goats are ruminants, meaning they have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments: rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. This allows them to effectively digest fibrous plant material. They can break down tough plant fibers through fermentation in the rumen, enabling them to extract nutrients from a wide variety of vegetation. Social and intelligent. Goats are highly social animals and often form strong bonds with other goats as well as with humans. They are also known for their intelligence and curiosity, often exploring their surroundings and figuring out how to escape from enclosures or solve simple puzzles to access food. Diverse breeds and uses. There are over 300 distinct breeds of goats worldwide, each adapted to different climates and purposes. Goats are raised for various products including milk, meat, fiber such as cashmere and mohair, and leather. Dairy goats like the Alpine and Saanen breeds are particularly valued for their high milk production.
Complex social structure. Chimpanzees live in highly complex social groups known as communities, which could consist of up to 150 members. These communities are characterized by intricate social hierarchies and strong social bonds. Chimpanzees engage in activities such as grooming, playing, and forming alliances, which are crucial for maintaining group cohesion and establishing social status. Advanced tool use. Chimpanzees are renowned for their advanced use of tools. They have been observed using sticks to extract termites from mounds, stones to crack open nuts, and leaves to soak up water for drinking. This ability to use and modify objects as tools showcases their problem-solving skills and high level of intelligence, which are comparable to those of early humans. Communication abilities. Chimpanzees possess a rich repertoire of vocalizations, facial expressions, and gestures to communicate with each other. They can convey a wide range of emotions.
Whistling ducks. Some species of ducks, known as whistling ducks or tree ducks, produce a distinct whistling sound instead of the typical quack. These ducks are also unique for their social behavior and tendency to perch in trees, unlike most other duck species. Specialized feathers. Ducks have a special gland near the base of their tails called the uropygial gland, which secretes an oily substance. Ducks use their beaks to spread this oil over their feathers, making them waterproof. This allows ducks to stay dry and buoyant while swimming. Diverse feeding techniques. Ducks exhibit a variety of feeding strategies. Some ducks, like dabbling ducks, feed on the surface of the water or tip forward to forage underwater, while diving ducks and sea ducks dive deep to catch fish and other aquatic prey. This diversity in feeding habits allows ducks to inhabit a wide range of aquatic environments.
Social animals. Meerkats are highly social creatures that live in large groups called mobs or gangs, typically consisting of 20 to 50 individuals. They exhibit cooperative behaviors such as foraging together, grooming each other, and sharing duties like babysitting the young. Diet and foraging. Meerkats primarily feed on insects, spiders, small mammals, reptiles, and sometimes even bird eggs. They have keen senses, including excellent eyesight and a strong sense of smell, which they use to locate prey. Unique adaptations. Meerkats are well adapted to their environment. They have dark patches around their eyes, which act like sunglasses to reduce glare from the sun. They also have long, slender bodies and strong claws that help them dig extensive underground burrows where they live and raise their young. Incredible speed. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 6070 miles per hour, 97113 kilometers per hour, in short bursts covering distances up to 500 meters. They can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. Distinctive black tear marks. Cheetahs have distinctive black tear marks running from the inner corners of their eyes down to the sides of their mouths. These marks help reduce glare from the sun and enhance their focus on prey during hunting. Non-retractable claws. Unlike most other big cats, cheetahs have semi-retractable claws. This adaptation provides them with better grip and traction while running at high speeds. Their paws are more dog-like in shape, aiding in their incredible acceleration and agility.
Stripes as a defense mechanism. The distinct black and white stripes of zebras serve multiple purposes. They help to confuse predators by creating an optical illusion known as motion dazzle, making it difficult for predators to target individual zebras within a herd. Additionally, the stripes may also help regulate body temperature by creating air currents around the zebra's body. Individual stripy patterns. Just like human fingerprints, each zebra has a unique stripy pattern. No two zebras have the same stripy pattern, which helps individuals recognize each other within a herd. This uniqueness also aids in identifying family members and maintaining social bonds. Communication through vocalizations. Zebras communicate with each other through various vocalizations, including barks, whinnies, and brays. These vocalizations are used for different purposes such as maintaining social bonds, signaling alarm or distress, and coordinating group movements. Improve physical health. Owning a dog encourages regular exercise such as walking and playing, which can lead to better cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, and increased overall fitness, enhance mental well-being. Dogs provide companionship and can help reduce feelings of loneliness and depression. Interacting with a dog can increase levels of oxytocin, the love hormone, and decrease stress levels. Social benefits. Walking a dog often leads to social interactions with other dog owners, fostering a sense of community and improving social skills. Dogs can also help people with social anxiety feel more comfortable in social situations. High reproductive rate. Rabbits are known for their high reproductive rate. A single female rabbit or doe can produce several litters of offspring each year, with each litter containing an average of 4 to 12 babies, known as kits. This rapid reproductive rate allows rabbit populations to grow quickly in favorable conditions. 2. Unique digestive system. Rabbits have a unique digestive system that includes a process called hindet fermentation. They produce two types of feces: hard pellets and soft secatropes. Rabbits re-ingest the secatropes to extract additional nutrients. This process helps them obtain the maximum nutritional value from their fibrous plant-based diet. 3. Social behavior. Rabbits are social animals that thrive in groups known as colonies or warrens. In the wild, they live in complex burrow systems to protect themselves from predators. Social interaction is crucial for their mental well-being, and they often exhibit behaviors such as grooming each other and playing together. Complex communication. Honeybees communicate with each other through a sophisticated method known as the waggle dance. This dance conveys information about the direction and distance to food sources. The angle of the dance relative to the hive's vertical surface indicates the direction, while the duration of the dance indicates the distance. Vital role in pollination. Honeybees are crucial pollinators for many crops and wild plants. It's estimated that about 1/3 of the food we consume relies on pollination by bees and other insects. Their pollination efforts support biodiversity and the production of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Unique colony structure. Honeybee colonies are highly organized social structures with 3 distinct castes: the queen, worker bees, and drones. The queen is the sole egg layer. Worker bees are females responsible for foraging, caring for the young, and maintaining the hive, and drones are males whose primary role is to mate with a queen from another hive. Rich in antioxidants, blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their blue color. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Brain health. Blueberries have been shown to improve cognitive function and protect the brain from age-related decline. The antioxidants in blueberries can enhance memory and delay brain aging by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. Heart health. Blueberries contribute to cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and improving blood vessel function. Their high fiber content and bioactive compounds help reduce the risk of heart disease and promote overall heart health.
Exceptional memory. Donkeys have an excellent memory. They can remember places they've been to and other donkeys they've met for many years. This strong memory helps them navigate and survive in harsh environments. Social creatures. Donkeys are highly social animals and prefer to live in groups. They form strong bonds with other donkeys, and when kept alone, they can become very stressed and depressed. They even show signs of mourning when a companion donkey passes away. Desert adaptation. Donkeys are well adapted to desert life. They have tough, hardy feet that can navigate rocky and uneven terrain with ease. Their digestive systems are also highly efficient, allowing them to extract the maximum nutrients from the sparse, coarse vegetation typically found in arid environments.
There are two main breeds of alpacas, the Huacaya and the Suri. Huacayas have fluffy, crimped fleece that gives them a teddy bear-like appearance, while Suris have long, silky fleece that hangs in locks. Fiber quality. Alpaca fiber is highly prized for its softness, warmth, and hypoallergenic properties. It's often compared to cashmere and is used to make high-quality textiles and garments. Herd animals. Alpacas are social animals that thrive in herds. They communicate with each other through a series of sounds including humming, and use body language such as neck posturing and ear movements to express their feelings and intentions. Pack structure. Wolves live and hunt in packs, which typically consist of 6-10 members. The pack is usually a family group, including a breeding pair, alpha male and female, and their offspring from the past few years. Communication. Wolves have a complex communication system that includes vocalizations such as howling, growling, and barking, body language like tail positioning and facial expressions, and scent marking. Howling helps them coordinate their activities, reinforce social bonds, and communicate over long distances. Adaptability. Wolves are highly adaptable animals found in various habitats, from forests and tundras to deserts and grasslands. They have a wide geographical range, including North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of the Middle East. Despite their adaptability, their populations have been significantly reduced due to habitat loss and hunting.
Communication. Horses communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and body language. They use neighs, whinnies, and snorts to express different emotions and intentions. Ear position, tail movement, and facial expressions also play a significant role in their communication. Digestive system. Horses have a unique digestive system. They are non-ruminant herbivores, meaning they have a single-chambered stomach. Their digestive system is designed for a continuous grazing lifestyle, and they need to eat small amounts of food throughout the day. They have a relatively small stomach, but their large intestine and cecum are well developed to process fibrous plant material. Speed and endurance. Horses are known for their speed and endurance. The fastest horse breed, the thoroughbred, can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour at 64 kilometers. Horses are also capable of sustaining a moderate pace over long distances, which made them invaluable for transportation and communication in pre-modern societies.
Powerful bite. Jaguars have the strongest bite force of any big cat relative to their size. Their jaws are so powerful that they can bite through the shells of turtles and the skulls of their prey with ease. Unique hunting technique, unlike other big cats that typically go for the neck. Jaguars often kill their prey by delivering a powerful bite directly to the skull, piercing the brain. This unique hunting technique sets them apart from other large predators. Habitat and range. Jaguars are primarily found in the rainforests of the Amazon basin, but their range historically spanned from the southwestern United States to Argentina, They are highly adaptable and can live in various environments, including rainforests, swamps, grasslands, and even scrublands.
Ancient Roman roots, Rottweilers are believed to have descended from ancient Roman drover dogs. These robust and powerful dogs were used by the Romans to herd cattle and guard livestock during their long marches across Europe. When the Romans settled in what is now Germany, these dogs stayed behind and contributed to the development of the modern Rottweiler in the town of Rottweil, hence their name. Versatile working dogs. Rottweilers are known for their versatility as working dogs. Historically, they have been used in various roles, including herding livestock, pulling carts, and guarding properties. Today, they continue to excel in many fields such as search and rescue, police and military work, service and therapy roles, and competitive obedience and agility trials. Loyal and protective nature. Rottweilers are renowned for their loyalty and protective instincts. They form strong bonds with their families and are known to be particularly good with children when properly trained and socialized. Their natural guarding instincts make them
Ancient origins. Pugs have a rich history that dates back over 2,000 years. They originated in China, where they were bred as companion dogs for Chinese emperors. They were highly valued by royalty and often lived in luxurious settings, sometimes even being guarded by soldiers. Distinctive facial features. Pugs are easily recognizable by their wrinkled faces, short muzzles, and large, round eyes. These distinctive facial features are a result of their brachycephalic, short-nosed skull structure. While their charming appearance is beloved by many, it can also lead to respiratory issues, so it's important to monitor their health closely. Playful and affectionate personality. Pugs are known for their playful, affectionate, and friendly nature. They are often described as clowns due to their fun-loving and mischievous behavior. Pugs thrive on human companionship and enjoy being the center of attention, making them excellent family pets and loyal companions.
Smallest dog breed. Chihuahuas are the smallest dog breed in the world. They typically weigh between 2 to 6 pounds and stand about 6 to 9 inches tall. Despite their small size, they have a big personality and are known for their bold and confident demeanor. Ancient origins. Chihuahuas are believed to be descendants of the Tequechea, a small dog that was kept by the Toltec civilization in Mexico around the 9th century. This makes them one of the oldest dog breeds in the Americas, with a rich history that dates back over 1,000 years. Variety of coat types and colors. Chihuahuas come in a wide variety of coat types and colors. They can have either smooth, short-haired, or long-haired coats. Their coat colors can include fawn, black, white, chocolate, cream, and a mix of these, often with markings and patterns like sable, brindle, or merle.
Not actually Australian. Despite their name, Australian Shepherds were developed in the United States, not Australia. They are believed to have descended from herding dogs brought to the US by Basque Shepherds who came from Australia in the 19th century. Incredible work ethic. Australian Shepherds are renowned for their intelligence, energy, and strong work ethic. They excel in various dog sports and activities such as agility, obedience, herding, and search and rescue. Their high energy levels and quick learning ability make them exceptional working dogs. Distinctive eye colors. Australian Shepherds often have striking eye colors, including blue, amber, hazel, brown, or even one eye of each color, a condition known as heterochromia. This distinctive feature adds to their unique and captivating appearance.
Pack structure. Wolves live and hunt in packs, which typically consist of 6-1-0 members. The pack is usually a family group, including a breeding pair, alpha male and female, and their offspring from the past few years. Communication. Wolves have a complex communication system that includes vocalizations such as howling, growling, and barking, body language like tail positioning and facial expressions, and scent marking. Howling helps them coordinate their activities, reinforce social bonds, and communicate over long distances. Adaptability. Wolves are highly adaptable animals found in various habitats, from forests and tundras to deserts and grasslands. They have a wide geographical range, including North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of the Middle East. Despite their adaptability, their populations have been significantly reduced due to habitat loss and hunting.
Rich in healthy fats. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is beneficial for heart health. These healthy fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels (LDL) while maintaining good cholesterol levels (HDL), potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Nutrient dense. Avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, B vitamins, potassium, and folate. This nutrient density supports overall health, including immune function, skin health, and cellular repair. High in fiber. Avocados are high in dietary fiber with about 10 grams per fruit. Fiber is crucial for digestive health, aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also helps in maintaining a healthy weight by promoting a feeling of fullness, which can reduce overall calorie intake.
High-quality protein. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, including all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. Nutrient-rich. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, D, E, B, riboflavin, and folate, as well as minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. They also contain choline, which is vital for brain health and function. Heart health. Despite their cholesterol content, studies have shown that moderate egg consumption does not significantly impact heart disease risk for most people. In fact, eggs can improve levels of HDL, good cholesterol, which is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Additionally, the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs can help reduce the risk of eye diseases, which is beneficial for overall health. Largest cat species. Tigers, Panthera tigris, are the largest members of the cat family, Felidae. They can weigh up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, and measure up to 3.3 meters, 11 feet in length, including their tail. Distinctive stripes. Each tiger has a unique pattern of stripes on its coat, much like human fingerprints. These stripes help camouflage them in their natural habitat, making them highly effective hunters. Endangered status. Tigers are classified as endangered species. Their populations have drastically declined due to habitat loss, poaching, and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival in the wild. Exceptional flight abilities. Dragonflies are known for their incredible flying skills. They can hover, fly backward, and change direction rapidly. Their 2 sets of wings can operate independently, allowing them to maneuver with precision. Dragonflies can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Long lifespan as nymphs. Dragonflies spend the majority of their lives in the nymph stage, living underwater for up to several years depending on the species. During this time, they are voracious predators, feeding on aquatic insects, tadpoles, and even small fish. The adult stage, where they live above water, typically lasts only a few months. Remarkable eyesight. Dragonflies have large compound eyes that provide nearly 360-degree vision. Each eye contains thousands of tiny lenses called ommatidia, which allow them to detect even the slightest movements and distinguish a wide range of colors, including ultraviolet light. This exceptional eyesight helps. Whistling ducks. Some species of ducks, known as whistling ducks or tree ducks, produce a distinct whistling sound instead of the typical quack. These ducks are also unique for their social behavior and tendency to perch in trees. Unlike most other duck species, specialized feathers. Ducks have a special gland near the base of their tails called the uropygial gland, which secretes an oily substance. Ducks use their beaks to spread this oil over their feathers, making them waterproof. This allows ducks to stay dry and buoyant while swimming. Diverse feeding techniques. Ducks exhibit a variety of feeding strategies. Some ducks, like dabbling ducks, feed on the surface of the water or tip forward to forage underwater, while diving ducks and sea ducks dive deep to catch fish and other aquatic prey. This diversity in feeding habits allows ducks to inhabit a wide range of aquatic environments.
Social animals. Meerkats are highly social creatures that live in large groups called mobs or gangs, typically consisting of 20 to 50 individuals. They exhibit cooperative behaviors such as foraging together, grooming each other, and sharing duties like babysitting the young. Diet and foraging. Meerkats primarily feed on insects, spiders, small mammals, reptiles, and sometimes even bird eggs. They have keen senses, including excellent eyesight and a strong sense of smell, which they use to locate prey. Unique adaptations. Meerkats are well adapted to their environment. They have dark patches around their eyes, which act like sunglasses to reduce glare from the sun. They also have long, slender bodies and strong claws that help them dig extensive underground burrows where they live and raise their young.
you.